everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for an Ipsy unboxing. I love these pink little bags that I get in the mail every month. This is a subscription box. It's $10 every month and you get 5 sample-sized makeup products, and I love my Ipsy subscription. This is one that I really kind of look forward to every month. And ooh, this is kind of cool. It has a little masquerade thing on it, and it's a red vinyl makeup bag. Every month you get a bag, and then you have 5 products inside. Ooh. And a postcard to tell you a little bit about it. So very cool. I am liking this already. Who said nights were for sleep? So let's see. Ooh, I have a nail polish. This is from Pretty Woman. And ooh, I love this color. I'm not sure what the color is. Oh, don't be jelly. That's free. That's funny. And I was reading this. It says 10 free. All of our nail polishes are 10 free. Cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free. And I don't know what the other words are, but they're free. But yeah, very pretty. Purplier than the red that I have on now, but just as deep and dark. It's very pretty. I like that a lot. And this says Pixie by Petra. And it's in little packaging, but it's cute little eyeshadow, I believe. Let's see what it says. Plum lace. It doesn't really say if it's eyeshadow, but I think that it is. Pretty colors. And this I'm loving. This is Buxom, which I like that brand of lipstick. Oh, and it's called Dolly. So let's see what this looks like. If I'm not mistaken, I know I have some of this lip gloss, and I think that it makes your lips like appear bigger. I'm putting some on. So it's just a nice light gloss. And then I got a pretty eyeshadow brush. Looks like it would be good for blending. I love the little gemstones on it and then the glitter. But I'm just going to leave it in here because I have plenty of brushes right now. And a peel-off mask called Lift Off by Wander. Purifying and brightening peel-off mask. So for 10 bucks, I got all of this and the little thing, and I think it's fun. And you can go in and rate your things, and you can do a lot and get more stuff that's supposed to be even more your style. But honestly, I don't ever do any of that. I just wait and see what I get. And I think that you can even look and get a preview of something that you're getting and maybe change it. I'm not exactly sure because I don't do that, because I don't really feel like I need to. I really like the stuff that they send me, and it's just fun to have a little bit of a mystery every month. And to me, that's part of the beauty of it. So I enjoy that, and for $10 a month, it's totally worth it for me. It feels like I get a little gift, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.